All right, so we had a concern about 6.1.29, which is question 15 from this first module homework activity. And it's asking, what is the expected profit? So we're looking for expected profit for the investment described above. And to do this, we need to use the expected value equation. So the expected value of a random variable x is equal to the summation of the product of each value times its respective probability. Hopefully you're familiar with that equation. It should look something like this. And to be able to do this, we need to build a probability distribution, a discrete probability distribution. And we have three different values that are possible. If it remains strong, we have a $60,000 profit. So that's the profit. And so we have one possibility, which is remain strong. And this results in, we'll call this a value x for profit. So it's going to result in a profit of 60,000. And then we also have a moderate pace. Moderate pace, which is described here, moderate pace. This will result in a profit of $20,000. And then we have 20% probability the economy will remain. The economy goes into a recession. Worst case scenario here, and at the loss of 60,000. So this is a recession. And this will result in a loss of 60,000. So if we're talking about profit, that's a negative profit. So negative 60,000. So to build the probability distribution, we need to find the probabilities of each of these outcomes. So we have the probability of having a remain strong. 20% probability the economy remains strong. So put it in decimal form, 0.2. And then 60% probability the economy will grow at a moderate pace. So moderate is 0.6. And a 20% probability the economy will slip into a recession. Okay, so we built the probability distribution. And it in fact is a probability distribution, since each outcome is in between 0 and 1, 0.2, 0.6, and 0.2. And the sum of the probability, if we add them up, is 100%. Okay, so just a quick check. Not really needed here, but notice that we would use this equation, and to use this equation, we want each of the x values multiplied by the respective probability. So we would have 60,000 times 0.2 plus 20,000. 20,000 times 0.6. And then negative 60,000 times 0.2. And typically, in a calculator, you wouldn't put the commas in, but anyways, we would find this value. So I'm going to go ahead and calculate this really quickly. I would suggest, if you want to take one step at a time, go ahead and find each of the products first. Remember order of operation. I'm going to do that really quickly. Hold on one moment. All right, so 60,000 times 0.2 is 12,000. 20,000 times 0.6 is 12,000. Negative 60,000 times 0.2 is negative 12,000. And when we sum this up, we get just 12,000. Okay, so that's how you determine the expected profit from this investment based on the given information. So let me know if you have any concerns, and I'll be more than happy to help. Also, keep in mind, you may have noticed this already, but your problem may actually have different numbers. So you may not have 20%, 60%, 20%, and profit of 60,000, profit of 20,000, and loss of 60,000. The numbers may vary, but the general question is the same. So you'll notice this throughout the term. So let me know if you have any other concerns.